So when you're recording a TV show,
Yeah.
I'm guessing that you had a crew of professional videographers, probably a sound person, couple of angles with cameras, people who live their lives day in, day out, recording and editing video.
Yeah.
So was that intimidating for you? Again, the reason I'm looking around my desk is because I'm recording with a camera on a weird arm on my computer, or I could use my phone to record video.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between, I suppose the word that I have here is, do you need Hollywood quality video in order to be able to record video, or can you just be as authentic without it? And in fact, without it, does that make you more authentic, do you think?
That's a great question as well. So I went down to Florida. I hired a full-on crew, and we shot an infomercial with Kevin Harrington, who's one of the original Sharks on Shark Tank.
That's right. And one of your partners, right?
He's an advisory. He's on our advisory board for our fund. Okay. Yeah. So we go down there, and there's four guys sitting underneath a shade, a light shade, and there's all the cameras and the pool in the background, and they're fine-tuning all of the lights, and then they blend them, and the audio's fan-bloody-tastic, and it's like, whoa. And I looked at it, and I have an advantage that I have spent so much time on camera. But then when I looked at the film of the guys who had not, my two other partners, not including Kevin Harrington, you would have thought they were going through some kind of physical torture, right? Around all of these distractions. My partner, my investment officer, my CIO, Chief Investment Officer, Walter Novicki, he flushed up like red, like they had to do some crazy colors, because it is just not his comfort place. But if I do a Zoom call with Walter one-on-one, just over the internet, we record it for either educational purposes or it's an investor call that we do together. He's in his element, and he's prime. He's beautiful. I know to keep quiet and let him deliver the message. Look, I don't think you need that. In fact, I know you don't need that full-on, Hollywood stuff. We didn't have it on the TV show. Yeah, they made it look good, but we have what they called shooter producers, run and gun, they called it. So they'd be shooting on the move all the time. The magic in that world is the editing.
Right.
You can take really, really bad video, but if you've got exceptional editing and you can put in the effects and everything else, I mean, look at these YouTubers that are out there today. All they're doing is what we're doing. Adam, we just, I've got a little Logitech camera and a sexy microphone that makes me look important, and that's it.